What's going on, guys? David here with you, bringing you another video. And I know it's been a couple days since I put something up. I have been under the weather, got some kind of cold from the crazy weather change in the area that I live in. So that's the reason why I hadn't did any videos. There's so much stuff that I wanted to do, but I just couldn't do it. I hope everybody's having a great Merry Christmas today. Merry Christmas to everybody on my channel. Glad that each and every one of you has joined me this year. We're at the end of this year, and next year is going to be even great. We're looking to grow, looking to expand. Brand new year. Seasons change. A lot of different things. A lot of people don't believe me when I tell them that weather and the seasons has things to do with growing business at certain times of the years. It does play effect. So, but yeah, we've had a great Christmas here. Good to see everybody. Everybody's doing good. Family's doing great. Hope everybody else is doing great. We're getting that office set up like how we want it. Man, we've had some crazy calls, pretty crazy calls this week. So last week too was pretty hectic, pretty crazy. Sometimes you have to just go to your fastest resource in situations, and I've had to do that. I've been thankful for the guys coming through in that area. I forget about a lot of these websites and different things that's out there that you can pull up diagrams, and it's kind of in a stressful situation. Been out there on this call and trying to get this oven done for them before Christmas, and there's a lot of things added up like that. But we're up to like 700, I think, and 30-something people. That is awesome. Looking forward to bringing so much content next year. Like I said, I got another series on the dishwasher. Also, got to finish up a couple things on the wash machines. And like I said, this time of the year has just been real busy. So, ready for things to mellow back out, and we can start putting up some more content, filming some more, doing some more ride-alongs. I hadn't done those in a little while, but we're going to do that. But that's pretty much it. I keep hitting this microphone here, I forget to get it right there. But that's pretty much it. I was supposed to do a shop talk with Timmy Appliance Repair. We're probably going to do that at the beginning of the year. Brother B hit me up. They're a great channel to check out. They got training on seal systems and different things like that. So be sure to check those guys out. I will be coordinating that, and we'll get it set up. Probably be on the weekend, on like a Saturday night. So have that. This coming up weekend, we're going to have, another live Q&A, okay? I told you guys I was doing it twice a month, so we're going to be doing that. So you guys be sure it's going to be at 9 o'clock, so go ahead and set your calendars to Saturday. That is going to be, hold on, let's see. Saturday is, dang, I can't pull my calendar up. I'm recording on my phone. Here we go. This is going to be the 4th. Okay, so the 4th. Be sure, 4th, 9 o'clock. It's 9:06 right now, and we're going to be having that at 9 o'clock. I won't be late. We'll be ready. Ask any kind of questions you want. Be sure to check that out. Got some videos, got some content going to be putting out. Appreciate the thumbs up. Merry Christmas, everybody. And this is David with DC Appliance Repair, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching my video. Really appreciate it. If you're interested in the appliance repair field or want to learn how to make some money on the side by flipping appliances and more, be sure to check out my playlist. Subscribe button will be right here, I believe. Playlist to be somewhere along in here. Great content, try to put out on the daily. Come and be a part of my channel, ask me any kind of question. I'll be sure to get back to you. This is David with DC Appliance Repair, and you have a great day. See you in the next video.